This is Manthan from MakCorps.com, and in this video, I will explain you how to get the data of Expedia.com for any hotel around the globe. So we are on right now on the Expedia Hotel Price API documentation, and this is the list of parameters that you have to pass while before accessing the API. This is the API key, which you will get once you sign up from here, and you will get 15 credits for free after sign up. This is the hotel ID used by Expedia itself, number of adults, rooms, it is the number of rooms, the check-in date, checkout date, number of kids, and the currency. Let's say I want data of this hotel from Boston, USA, and the ID of this hotel is 202814. Let's copy it and paste it in our Postman collection. Here it is. The currency is USD, rooms is 1, adults is 2, check-in is 10th of May, checkout is 11th of May, and this is the API key. You have to use your own API key before accessing the API. Let's click on send button to send a get request to our API, and you will get this beautiful response. And in this response, you will get all the little details like the pricing, the rating, the images, and the name, the address, stuff like that. So if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API from MakCorps.com, then do reach out to us at info@MakCorps.com. Thank you very much.